Excited.
Nature Center today.
Oh my God.
Gonna go check out this nature center. Oh, wow. I told you you'd love it. They've actually changed it in here. So this is actually a new huge fish tank.
Mom.
I love these little
Mom, it's a reindeer.
wooden stools.
Mom, it's a turtle.
Yeah, those are different shells you can feel. So let's tell friends what was that one?
Oh God, the tank.
Let's see what all we have here. We've got an
Oh,
antler.
oh my
It's
God.
like,
Oh my God.
I bet you this is the white-tailed deer
God.
antler.
Oh my God.
What do you see?
It says turtles in here.
Now that is scary.
Oh my God. There's actually a turtle in here.
Is there?
What does it say?
Got a turtle tortoise shell.
Mom.
Hold on. This looks like just a piece of wood.
Ouch. Oh my God. It was frog boy.
Wow, that's cool. And then at the end, you pick from the list what you think it's from.
Mom, a snake.
What? Oh my goodness, Colton made a friend.
Hi.
Look at him. Oh, he loves you.
Hi. Oh, I see his tongue.
Look, he's coming up to see you.
Hi. You can't actually pet him. Oh my God.
Look at him, buddy.
You
Oh, tell him hello.
Hi. They don't bite kids.
Nah, he's in his cage. There he goes, slithering right on up the side. Let's show friends.
Oh my God, look how
Oh, look, guys.
Hi.
Wow.
Oh, you actually can open it.
Yeah, but we don't do that.
Wait, what is
Oh,
this?
wow. Look how big this snake is.
I told you.
Shoo.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's see.
I found a snake.
Oh, that just scared the heck out of me. Woo, boy. That just scared the heck out of me. Little play area here. This is lovely.
Oh my.
Let's see what we've got up here. This is the immature red-tailed hawk. Get a little look at him. Pretty cool.
Mommy.
Bucks.
Mommy.
What?
Mom.
What, bud?
Yeah, so you can do this.
Oh, Lord. Colton found a snake, guys.
It's not real.
Oh, boy.
Look. Snakey. Snake.
Colton found a anaconda. Oh, the snake's back down for a little nap. Oh, he's crawling to the back. Ah, he got me.
This is cool.
Yes, I told you you'd love it. This is a little teepee. What the Indians and people used to live in before we had houses, and this is actually made of cloth, but back in the day they would make these of skin.
I found a frog puppy.
Skin from animals. We've got a coyote.
I like a nanny.
Okay.
I like a nanny.
Wow, what's this?
Oh my God! Oh my God! It's snake! Snake!
What's he doing? Some kind of pods.
Oh my God!
Oh, a caterpillar.
Mama! He's actually coming!
Is he coming?
Can I bring this?
No, we got to keep it here, Zoe, so other children can learn. Okay, so, and then Colton said there was a box turtle down here. There is. Hello, fella.
Oh my God! no,
And this is the kind of turtle, box turtles. They don't live in the water like
Oh my god, there's a reef snake.
oh
Oh my
what's
god,
it called?
there's another cage.
The yellow bellies and things like that.
It's a frog!
Ew. Let's check this out right fast. Oh Lord, there he is. Yep. I'm not a fan of frogs.
I'm not afraid of frogs.
You're not afraid of them?
No.
And then when you look out this window here, you see the pond, and sometimes deers will walk up to the window. I see a crane right now all the way across.
Where?
He's way over there.
Mom! Mommy!
What?
Mom, look! Look!
Yeah. Let's get this back down.
Mom, I found a caterpillar!
Wow. Awesome.
Look, Mom!
Here's what we're going to have when we leave and go home and come back.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool here. Oh, do we have a puppet show? Hello, Summer. Almost goodbye, Summer. There's the snake one more time, guys.
There's a turtle puppet.
Oh, cool. We've got just the welcome center here, so it's always fun to come to the nature center. Ah, raccoon.
Oh my god!
So, all right.
Wait, this is not a
All right, guys, we're about to leave. Colton's saying bye to the snake. No, buddy. Colton. Okay, there he is.
cow. Be really careful, there's a snake. What's in here?
Okay, we're gonna see how tall Colton is, what kind of snake he is like. So he's about 3 1/4 feet.
Oh my god!
I think he's between the
There's
eastern
actually
fox
a-
snake
Mom.
and a blue racer.
Mom, there's actually animals in these.
Show everybody what's in here. Ew.
It's a turtle shell!
Yeah. Okay, what's in the next one?
Ooh.
Ooh, fur. Fur.
Oh no, I don't know what's in there.
Oh no.
What? Oh my god. Oh no.
Big fur. Okay, different pine cones, things like that.
Oh no, this one's scary. Nope. Oh. Wait, is that for...
Just different tools.
That's for...
That was silly. Grab Innard here. Hello. This is so fun, guys.
It does freaking talk like that.
Okay, we're about to leave. We had an awesome time today, folks, at Blacklock Woods.
Stop!
See you later.
Stop! Whoa!
Move your arms so everybody can see. Wow. So many fun things at the park. Ah, I got bitten by a snake.
Ribbit. 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 Ribbit.
Wow.
Wait, let me see all those snakes. Oh, that one's scary. That one's scary. That one's scary. Oh, that one's not scary. The blue.
Do you like that one?
Yeah.
That's how tall you are. Mm-hmm.
Ow.
Yep. I showed everybody those. Owl, deers.
I think the frog. What?
Little squirrel there eating on the rock.
Is your name Earl? There've been 2 families. Yeah.
Wow. All right, bud, let's put the snake up and check out the park.
Whoa.
I think that's what they used.
Welcome to my tent.
Thank you. That was awesome.
Oh my God! Look,
Yep.
it's an otter. Goes. Aww.
All right, press the button.
What? There's nothing there. Do you like these?
Yes, very much so.
And I like these.
Me too.
And I like this. And not those.
There we go.
Well, that was cool.
That was really cool, wasn't it?
Snakes.
What else?
Frogs.
Turtles, fish. I mean, geez. And they got a little rest area
Barn.
this way. So let's go.
In there?
No, that's where Bigfoot
that
lives. No. All right. That was a great time. So we'll see you later, guys.
It's a park down.
Bye.
It's the